Open to channel. Compile 5 with Minecraft tools and armor. 5 is torch. There. That is leather pen. Oh, I see something. Stone. Oh. And I'm not seeing a things. Maybe here. I found you. 20 gold helm. Let's go right here. Inside a cave. Ta-da! 25 gold pickaxe. Oh no, I'm foul. Let's fly again. Chainmail wood. Let's go. I see you. Go, go, go. 35 iron axe. Where is it again? Oh, I see something too. Faster. Wow. 40. Even more armor. Strong armor. Let's find the next one. 45. Diamond shovel. Last one. Looks like it's here. 50. Netherite drop. Strongest weapons. Sword. Pen. Hoe. Helmet. Pickaxe. Boot. Axe. Armor. Shovel. And sword. Thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.